3D printing, as a key engine of new quality productivity, is reshaping traditional manufacturing. 3D PTEK, with over 30 years of technological accumulation, focuses on selective laser sintering, melting, and binder jetting, providing one-stop 3D casting solutions. We have developed process recipes for nearly 30 materials, including aluminum, copper, steel, iron, and magnesium castings, and offer diversified process routes: 3DP sand casting, SLS sand casting, and SLS investment casting with wax patterns, on demand. 3D PTEK provides closed-loop services from requirement assessment to finished product delivery. Upon order receipt, our team selects the optimal process. Using 3D modeling and casting simulation software, we conduct structural design and process analysis. After review, we output print data. Printed parts undergo cleaning, post-processing, and 3D scanning inspection, then move to casting. Melting, pouring, shakeout, testing, and machining are completed. Finally, they are delivered upon quality approval. The company, in Wuhu, Anhui, Jianyang, Shanxi, Pingdingshan, Hunan, Yulin, Guangxi, Azhou, Jiangsu, Anyang, Henan, Suzhou, Jiangsu, Rizhao, Shandong, and Tongling, Anhui, has built 3D casting factories and printing service centers. This forms a rapid manufacturing capability covering full-size, multi-material, and full chain. It can meet R&D trial production, batch production, and sand wax pattern 3D printing service needs. Intelligent 3D sand printing production line solutions also available. 3D PTEK, relying on self-developed 3D printing equipment and processes, overcomes traditional bottlenecks like large-size thin walls and multiple pipelines, enabling integrated forming of complex structures. Combined with low-pressure casting, gravity casting, permanent mold casting, centrifugal casting, and other processes, we produce aluminum, copper, iron, steel, magnesium, superalloy, and titanium alloy products. In the R&D trial stage, 3D casting eliminates hard tooling. Delivery can be completed in 7 to 14 days, greatly accelerating design validation and iteration. After trial validation, we seamlessly transition to metal mold development, entering mass production. In aerospace, 3D PTEK's 3D casting technology is used for rapid prototyping of engine components and spacecraft structural parts, solving challenges of ultra-large dimensions and complex curved surfaces. In the power and energy sector, for GIS housings, conductors, transformers, and other components, with high requirements for insulation, conductivity, and sealing, 3D casting enables integrated rapid forming of key components. In automotive manufacturing, 3D PTEK provides automakers with solutions for seats, motor housings, lightweight frames, cylinder blocks, and cylinder heads. In marine pumps, valves, and industrial machinery, impellers, pump bodies, and valve bodies often feature complex flow channels and large sizes. Traditional casting has long tooling lead times and high costs. 3D PTEK's 3D casting can rapidly form such complex castings. 3D PTEK deeply empowers traditional casting with 3D printing technology, covering full chain services from pre-sales, in-sales, to after-sales, making every partnership a solid lever for customers to advance toward high-end, intelligent, and green manufacturing.